Here's a product you can get through my country maintenance website. Just do a search in the top right hand corner. I don't work for any of the root kill companies or anything. I just think this is a good, necessary product when you need to do preventative maintenance for a toilet that flushes slow or gurgles when other drains, like your washing machine drain, are used. A lot of times it's tree roots.
Yeah, if you live in an area that has a lot of trees and all of a sudden you're experiencing low pressure when you're flushing your toilets, or you're hearing gurgling from somewhere else when you're running water, like a washing machine or something like that, a lot of times the problem can be caused by tree roots. The tree roots are pretty aggressive at finding water and especially drains, different types of drain systems. What you can add is root kill. Now, years ago people used to add salt. They'd just dump salt down the drains. Problem with salt is salt was used as a military tactic to salt the land and kill off, make sure nothing grew there anymore. So it may be more harmful to trees. The root kill uses a copper sulfate,
which is a type of salt as well, but it may be less environmentally damaging to other plants and plant and tree life.
But you know, there's some debate on that. But anyway, you want to add this about once every 6 months or so, and just follow the directions on the can. You don't want to put this in any stainless steel or other type drains, metal drains. It's better just to go down the toilets. The reason is that the copper sulfates can stain the metal or be corrosive to the metal. So, and this can work for septic drains as well, septic systems, but you just want to make sure to read the directions. And again, this is only where you suspect or where you have a lot of trees and you've got some slow drains. Of course, you know, you'll want to try your plunger and snake first and stuff like that. But if you know your area and you know there's a lot of trees and you've had problems before, using this as a preventative maintenance can help keep everything flushing and going down the drains smoothly like it should. Root kill. This particular brand, the directions call for adding about ½ pound in increments. So add ½ pound and flush, and then wait a while, add another ½ pound and flush. And you want to do that in the toilet bowl that's nearest to the sewer line, to the main sewer line. So that's the directions on this one. You know, always follow the manufacturer directions as much as possible. It's a good idea to read through all the fine print.
Roots are usually less prone to going into solid plumbing systems like cast iron drains and such, but I've actually seen it where they've gone all the way from outside a building all the way into like a toilet that's in the middle of the room and grown down into the drain and caused a clog right there at the drain. So they actually grew like in between the linoleum and the toilet, and it's pretty crazy to pull a toilet and pull up a whole bunch of roots, you know. And in those instances I was able to just kill what was there and didn't necessarily need to add the root kill. But if you've got the situation where you've got roots growing into the drains, and there's some older drain type systems that are more prone to that, then you may want to use the root kill. And any problem area where you've had roots before, you also may want to use the root kill as a repellent to the roots returning, or again trying to get water from that spot. Yep, you can get this at my Kung Fu Maintenance website, where I make a small commission on anything you order through there. It helps me do what I do. Thanks for watching.